Sa pagpapatuloy ng kanilang New Year Ball, tinawag na ni Kuya ang susunod ng magpe-perform.
Housemates, sa pagharap sa bagong taon, may mga nag-aantay na pagsubok na minsan ililihis tayo ng landas. Pero ang mahalaga, unti-unti din nating makahanap ang daan pabalik. Tulad ng awitin ni Heath, ito ang Back to You.
I feel alive when I'm with you. Everything feels right. You float like a feather, but you float away from me. So let me know when you see that I'm madly in love with you, and it's hard for me to let you go. I try to chase after you, but still I'm just too slow. I fall apart every time you break my heart, but I still fall back to you. Yeah. Let's go, guys!
Nagulat po ako na magpa-perform po si Heath, Kuya, dahil hindi po talaga namin ine-expect na may mga special numbers po lahat. Kakatuwa po na marinig po ulit yung kanta niyang ginawa, Kuya.
I try to chase after you, but still I'm just too slow. I built a bridge for the both of us, but I'm the only one who will cross. While you stared and watched it fall, kept calling you at night, but you keep hanging up the phone. So then I fall apart. I fall apart. I fall apart. But in the end, I still fall back to you. Thank you, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was like a more funner experience po, Kuya, kasi less kaba and more just playing to make them happy, Kuya. And ayun, I was just singing my heart out, I guess, Kuya. So anyway, it's really happy experience to play for them again, Kuya. Entire time po, Kuya, I was nervous. Di rin po ako marunong sumayaw po ng ganun, Kuya. So I was really nervous po. But once in a lifetime moment or something na po, Kuya, yun.
Ay, hindi ah!
Bakit hindi? Huwag kayo tumingin sa akin.
Sige.
I don't know how to dance. I really don't know how to dance with someone po, Kuya. Pero I'm glad na I got to dance with Caprice po, Kuya. It was really a fun and enjoyable experience po talaga.
Lapit tayo! First time ko po talagang sumayaw ng ganun, Kuya, ng makeup partner po, Kuya. Kaya hindi ko po alam kung ano yung sasayawin dun, Kuya. Nakita ko rin po na parang first time niya rin po, Kuya. Ay, ano na?
Since nang pinipare po kami ni Caprice ng mga housemates po, Kuya, parang relationship namin na maging friends po, Kuya, parang naging more awkward po, Kuya. We got to share a dance din po, Kuya. Nawala po yung awkwardness po nun, Kuya. Wala na po yung hiya-hiya po, Kuya. So, napaka-relieving po nun, Kuya, yung feeling na yun.
At maraming salamat, Caprice and Heath.
Thank you, Kuya.
Amazing.